So now I have set up the device. Let's have a quick look at the UI software specs. Bloatware, maybe we can start with bloatware actually. Comes with a few apps. Let's see if we can delete them. TikTok, for example, I'm not going to use that. So good news is that you can uninstall that. Also, let's uninstall Facebook, Netflix. Oh, Netflix cannot be uninstalled, so this is able then. This one comes with Funtouch OS. As you know, Vivo phones globally come with Funtouch OS, while in China they started shipping with Origin OS. This is based on Android 11. You can say it's running a MediaTek, I believe, Dimensity 800U processor, ticking at 2.4 gigahertz, which is quite decent. 828 gigabyte storage with expandable SD card. As you've seen, we can fit an SD card. And it has the memory fusion technology, where it's borrowing 3 gigabyte of the storage for RAM. That's good to see. Also, this device actually comes with a 90 Hz display. So if we go to display settings, refresh this, so you can see it is at Smart Switch 90 Hz. Let's try 90 Hz. Then you can get some digital zoom capability. Let's look at the shutter speed. What else? Video night mode. This one has an OIS, so expecting good results in night, according to reviews I've read. So I'm going to test that in a camera test. So stay tuned for that. Then you have video. I believe you can shoot at 4K. Let's say video resolution. Yeah, 4K. Then finally, something very convenient, and I like when it does that when you swipe down, you can reach the notification bar and the quick menu. You no longer hit this from the bottom as in old Funtouch OS. It seems that they moved this to the top to align it more with Android. This is our first look at the Vivo 21 or Vivo V21. Really beautiful color. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another video, and take care.